Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video, and it's your boy Slim Wonder. In today's vlog I'll be going for photo shoot. As you can see, I'm getting set. Like, look at my feet. Yeah, this is how I'm going to be going, and I have a lot of clothes here, so I'll be taking you guys with me. Let's go. My shema, you don't rush it. Okay. We'll see how it goes. Alright. Hey, I never balance before. You got to. Kind of fast. Camera woman. Say okay.
So, let's adjust your body. See sideways. Because if you're not too much. You go see the leg.
At this point, I was snapping half photo, half copy.
So, just say same way. Just look at my hand. Look at my hand.
The back will do it.
Yes. Now, got the buffer.
People are not there, some not there.
So, just smile a little. Just. When you watch fast, yes. So let's
Yeah, as you can see, I just changed my outfit to a black long jalabia captain. So we're changing outfit, and so we're changing backgrounds too. Yeah, new outfit, new background. There was a lot of work going on in this setting. I was just feeling myself like, what kind of posture am I gonna post? But I thank God for inspiration though. It's not by we doing too much, it's just God putting this gift in me to put out to this world. Yeah.
Yes, look at me now. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do it all the time.
I don't know what all these are called, but I just feel like it matched the aesthetics of the outfit. Just observe green machine, green. And I was just smiling. I was like, oh, this is new and timeless. But you can see the other outfit. I wore another one. So I just feel like it matches the vibe of the outfit.
Don't worry, I can push it there.
You get that?
I can push it there.
Are we good? Nice. Hold on. One more, let me get it. Where did you put my body so crazy? Baby, I'm talking crazy. I get you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
Today was a day productive. Just finished from the shoot. I'm at estate right now, so going home now.